Hello everyone. I think your board examination 2021 is very near, and I hope you are preparing well, though this session disturbed you by the corona virus COVID-19, but still don't lose your hope, and if you care you can get good marks in your board examination. So in this video I am going to help you how can you prepare for practical, some what you have to do and what don'ts. Sometimes the students generally commit this type of mistake, so I will make you cautious regarding this and help how can you make your practical record properly. I think you are already aware about the deleted syllabus from the portion for 2021, but whatever be given, if you describe your experimental question, practical, you know that in bio you have 100 marks, 30 marks is given for practical and 70 for marks for theory. So in 30 marks, how you will get 30, score the 30 marks in practical examination? You have to describe 3 experiments. One is major experiment. Question number 1 may be contain major experiment. This is a model question paper. It is not question paper of you. Don't take it. This will help you to prepare yourself to face the board examination in practical classes. So first major experiment you have to do. It carry 5 marks. What you have to do here? You have to describe in the same heading. I will also explain you a model question paper, how and where you will write, what you will write. So first you write aim of the experiment. Never means aim of the experiment. A student what? They get the question marks and they start writing like essay. This is not an essay like question answer. You have to describe in technical terms. So aim of the experiment must be written. Requirement may be of 2 headings: material required and apparatus required. What types of apparatus you require for the experiment? What are the chemicals required? Material required means chemical required. And procedure. In procedure, it is common mistake by the students that they generally describe the book language. Okay, what they have studied, and they generally write in their practical recording classes also. So never write. You have to describe always in passive voice. Suppose that Ram writes a letter. It's active voice. And a letter is written by Ram. Is the passive voice. So don't write Ram here. A letter is written. It is taken. It is observed. It is done. That is the passive voice. So that is the language of your procedure. So always write in passive voice procedure, whatever you proceed in the experiment. You always describe in passive voice. Okay. Then place the figure, and after that, what observation is there, you will describe the observation. Then come to the conclusion, what the aim is there, and at last but not least, never forget to write the precaution, 1 or 2 points. So these all terminology requires, and they carry some marks, fragment of marks, collection of marks give you a good marks. Okay, so never forget it. So first question, I think you have got all the point how you describe. I will later on describe too. Second, a minor experiment which can carry only 4 marks. So in this type of question, you'll have to write the pollen generation on slide, what observation you will make, and other as suspended particulate matter in here. In this time it is deleted, so don't write like this experiment. So other your Mendelian observation, pedigree analysis, blood group analysis type of minor experiments are asked in this question, in this type of question. So again you have to describe the aim, requirement, procedure, figure of generation, everything. But in a small, little less words you will have to require to describe your answer. Another is that is compulsory for slide preparation. A temporary mount mount of onion root tip to show any stage of mitosis. Now, be careful what the student generally do mistake. Question is asked, describe any stage of mitosis, they describe all stages. So don't take a bother for that. No need to describe all stages. Only one stage of mitosis is required. If it is asked to you, then you will do it. Otherwise, only one stage is required to describe, and again you will have to write aim, requirement, procedure, figure of generation, conclusion, and precaution. As well as prepare the slide and show to the external what you have made the slide. Another question number 4, having a spotting A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the 7 spotting generally attach along with your table or working table. Suppose that this is your laboratory and these are the table on which you have to do the experiment. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like spottings are placed, and you will given 2 marks for each spotting. You have to visit there, observe the spotting, draw the diagram roughly. So what generally students do? They start writing the fair diagram. You have no time and for rest of the experiment. They didn't get the time. So for 7 spotting, you will give him only 14 and last 2. It means 16, up to 16 minutes. So how you can write the diagram, draw the diagram, write the comments, 1 or 2 points of the identifying characters of the spotting, and then write the name. So identifying character and name, these are the very important. Carry each spotting carry 1 mark, so half marks for name, 1 marks for figure, half marks for figure. So half for figure, half for names, 1 marks you will get it. Figure is not required to make by you the fair figure. Okay, you can roughly, that can recognize. If it is a potato tuber, then you can, don't make it a carrot. Okay, it looks like potato, but no need to write a fair drawing. Okay, so in this way 7 spottings are there. Out of these 7 spotting, generally questions are made 2 from the xerophytic or hydrophytic adaptation in plants like Eichhornia cactus. It's a xerophytic adaptation, you have to write xerophytic adaptation, hydrophytic adaptation. Again, hydrophyte animals in Lobiorhita like chameleons or camel, their parts will be kept, and you have to write the xerophytic adaptation and hydrophytic adaptation in animal. Another will be 1 stage of meiosis is required to identify the spotting. Generally the question is asked, Ascaris lubriquant or any pathogen is kept like Entamoeba histolytica or whatever be available in your laboratory. You have done the experiment. Such pathogens are required to be identified, and another bone is generally kept to identify the frog or rabbit or whatever be bone is there. Why it is femur, why it is a humerus, why it is a radius ulna, etc. So blastula stage is also one, may be placed in one of the spotting, and you have to recognize the blastomere and blastocele, and then you have to write that why it is blastula stage in embryonic development. So in this way 7 marks will be given for that. So 5 marks major experiment, 4 marks minor experiment, 5 marks slide preparation, 7 for spotting, altogether 21. Now 9 marks, 4 marks will get from the project record, practical record, and 5 marks for investigatory project. So in practical record, how many experiment in this time you have got this time. So we generally expect that 5 to 6 experiment perhaps you have done. So at least describe and in begin investigative project. Any topic, whatever be given in your syllabus, like DNA model, you can draw. Yeah, reproductive or in vitro fertilization. Many different projects are there. In this way, corona vaccine or coronavirus is there. So in health and disease, you have a large number of AIDS is there, cancer is there. So drugs is there. Any type of uh, project work you can select, and you go deep and deep search the net and write whatever be latest information about that investigative project. It is expected from you that nobody knows what you know about that project. So this is only research part of your practical. You have to do that. Okay, and Viva will be generally asked what the project you have prepared, but you can't limit the external. External can ask any type of question from the practical examination as well as your theoretical aspect, that you deserve to get the more than 90% marks, or how he will give you the good marks. So I think in this video I have given you general idea about how you prepare the practical examination or practical file. Or be ready, don't be worried about, very nicely you can pass the examination. Okay, thank you.